In front of me is POCO F4, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate battery percentage in status bar. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select notifications and control center, then click on status bar and then select battery indicator. And now you need to pick the way of displaying the percentage that you wish to apply. So you can locate current battery level inside the battery icon or right next to it. And I will pick this third option. And this is it. That's how you can activate battery percentage. Obviously, you can deactivate it in the same way, just by tapping on the graphic option. But I will stay with the current battery level. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.